Okay. So keep watching my shoulder movement, my chest flexibility, side muscles flexibility. If you want to learn this flexibility, so just keep watching the video. I will show you some drills for this. Look up. Okay. So as you see here, when I do here, you can see my that side muscles. That is because of my shoulder blade is going out, and that will be only happen when you're doing external rotation. Shoulder blades should move far from each other. Okay, so what you can do for that, the first drill will be like you are taking the chair and the gap in between your chair and your knee. How to take that? First you have to keep your backbone 45-degree cross. For example, right now when I'm holding the chair, my back is not 45-degree cross, right? So you just try to a little bit drag your chair forward. Now I think my back is almost 45-degree, right? So inhale, look up. Exhale, first raise the tailbone up and see, make sure you're opening your shoulder blade out. Okay, if the shoulder blade is in, it will create lots of pressure on your trapezius, and trapezius will push your cervical, and it will create more pressure on your shoulder joint, and it will have pain in the future. So make sure you keep doing external rotation with your shoulder blade with your elbow, so your shoulder blade is going out. Inhale and exhale. Here, a few seconds, stay there. Feel your side muscles. Make sure your shoulder blade is coming out. Keep going down, then again inhale, look up and exhale. Every day you can try like in one time you can try like 3 to 4 repetitions. Take rest, then again continue, but don't do much, because if you're doing much, it creating lots of pressure to your shoulder joint, so the ligament or the cartilage can damage. So don't do much, just use as a warm-up. So this is the first one. Now second, what you can do, take the chair, and again there will be external rotation. So there is a one key point. If you're doing any posture in which you have to raise your hands up, so there will be a external rotation in any posture. Even when you're doing down dog, what happened in the down dog, you're raising the hands, right? I mean hands is forward, right? So you have to open your shoulder blade out. So that is protecting your cervical, plus it is helping you to improve your more shoulder mobility. If it going inside, it creates compressor on your cervical, because the trapezius get pressed and it pushes to the cervical, and in long term it will have neck pain. So make sure you keep doing external rotation. And if you're taking the hands behind like this in any posture, that time your scapula, the scapula will come closer, shoulder blade. But in any posture, if you're raising the hands up, make sure you keep doing external rotation. Okay, so now second, you have to again take the chair, do the external rotation, put your elbow here. In the beginning, there will a little bit wider gap in between your both elbow, putting your head down. After this, if possible, take your elbow closer, tuck your core in, contract your hip muscles, inhale, punch your back, and exhale. Keep going down as possible. Like 3 to 4, take rest like 20 to 30 seconds, again continue. Just 2-3 rounds, not much, otherwise it will damage your cartilage and ligament of your shoulder. Okay, now I show you the next. More you can try with the strap, and the gap in between your strap is just like a little bit wider than your shoulder. So see, I having the long strap, so I fold it like 2 times, so there will be a gap just a little bit wider than your shoulder. Now you can bend the knee and just open your knee here like this. Inhale. Now first I take my left hand down. Now as I shown you in the second one, like if the hands is going down, so the scapula will come inside, but when the hands is up, so your scapula will go out. So here also my upper hand doing external rotation, so the scapula is going out, and my lower hand is doing internal rotation, so the scapula is going inside. So inhale, push the chest forward. Okay, then later put your wrist on the floor by bending the upper elbow. Exhale, again inhale, lift up your chest up, elbow straight. Okay, push your rib cage up. Okay, then again slowly exhale, come back here, a little bit hunch your back and relax your shoulder. Then change to another side. Inhale and exhale. Do the right hand internal rotation and upper hand left hand external rotation. Inhale, elbow straight, push your chest forward, then slowly put your wrist on the floor by bending your upper elbow. Again inhale in your upper chest, so the lower hand is getting internal rotation and upper hand is getting external rotation. Look up, keep lifting the rib cage up. again inhale and exhale. This also you can try like at one time 2 or 3 repetition, then after that take rest, again you can try like 2-3 round more. Don't do much, it will create pain. Okay, because our shoulder is small joint, small muscles, so if you repeat anything like a lot, so you can understand, right, the joint will damage. So do slowly and protect your body. And you can try these 3 drills, it will help you to improve. If you have any question, you can just comment there. And plus I'm having online classes also, you can just message me, I will send you the detail. Thank you.